We're on a mission. We're on a mission to find some wristwatches that we can work on for our new hobby, which is watchmaking. Come on, let's go for a ride. 64 degrees at 9:09 in eastern Pennsylvania. It is a beautiful, crisp, dry, almost summer morning. We are out in our 2019 Mustang GT Convertible, and I've gotten some positive feedback on my last drive-along video. I just thought I'd get in it and put my money where my mouth is. In fact, let's put it in Sport Plus mode so you can hear the thunder. We are on our way to Rice's Flea Market in New Hope, Pennsylvania. Oh, listen, we're getting close. I can hear the fleas. God, it looks like the joint is jumping. Good morning. How are you?
5.0 for the $5. A 1, 2, 3, 4. There you be.
I appreciate your math. Have a great day.
Enjoy the ride.
Thank you. Oh, that's cool. Look at that. That truck's going to be picking up all kinds of goodies today. All right. Flea market time. I hope they have some good watches. I hope they have some good inexpensive watches. All the better. Wristwatches. Ladies' quartz wristwatches, mostly. All right, we'll have a rummage. So I just got the word that 1 week ago, another amateur watchmaker came through and swooped in. So I left my number. They're gonna give me a call when they get more mechanical wristwatches in. Let's go visit my girl Pat, see if she can hook me up. Good morning.
Oh God. Really? Is that what I got to look forward to? These are great. Do people wear these?
Well, so far, nothing. All right, let's unpack our haul. Show you what I got. Timex, Thorison, Caravelle, Croton, or is it Croton? Croton. This one might be my favorite. It's got the crown down here at 430. It has the vertical day and date. So here you go. So here's one more look at today's wristwatch flea market haul. We're gonna stow that away. Hey, here's some Mustang trivia. Did you know that there's a pen holder right here? Right there. How about that being a great use of storage space? So I think I'm going to call it a day. Thanks for joining me on this Mustang convertible ride out to the flea market in search of mechanical wristwatches. Hey, if you want to check out my wristwatch channel, the channel is called Watch with Mike. I'll leave some links down there. In the meantime, be good, be well, and be safe. Thank you so much for joining me on this drive. Please feel free to subscribe to the channel. The channel is Mike Fyxdt. Thumbs up if you like this kind of content, and I will talk to you real soon. Bye-bye.